Hey guys, welcome to the Phillips Friendly Family Farm. I'm going to show you a little bit what I'm doing today. There's the tractor and my bonfire. We're starting to burn a lot of the brush back here, and I've been working at this pile, which if you guys seen any of my earlier videos, you would see it. But I've been working on this pile of sticks right here, and I'm trying to get through right in there because there's a big tree down, which I'll show it to you right here. It's this tree. This big pine fell right here from one of the windstorms we had, and I'm working at getting into it so that I can get it cut up and burn it. But anyways, yeah, we're having a bonfire. Here's all the wood that I've got cut too. I'll show you guys a little bit of that so you can see. This starts my wood wall. And then I've got just a little bit more that I stacked over here. This is the small trees that were in this area right here that I cut up. They're still a little wet, so I stacked them here and put a little cover over top of them, let them dry. I'll burn them probably more in January sometime, so they'll be out here for a few months. Being small round logs like that don't take too long for them to dry out. Anyways, I just wanted to give you all an update what's going on at the farm. I thank you guys for watching. You have a good night, and God bless.